And when it breaks, it's going to make a noise like a pop. So don't get like that. Yeah. And once it breaks, somebody like me will analyze the break. Yeah. So what we do is we open up the brake, and the way it breaks, it tells us a lot of things about the concrete. So in few words, this was a cone brake, and it's what we're looking for. That means it was purely compression brake, and we didn't have a false reading. Sometimes they cut in half, and that's more like a shear brake, and there's a possibility that the concrete was uneven, so we have to retest it. This one broke at 61,000 pounds. So we grabbed this number and we divided by the cross-sectional area of the test sample itself, and we figure out how strong this concrete is, pounds per square inch. There is a different type of, we can do a larger sample, which is a 12-inch sample, but we can do also small samples. Either one of them are both ASTM approved. Obviously, this takes a lot less labor than putting it together, and there's a lot less waste. So engineering firms like to do these small ones, these 4-inch ones, but these is the standard, it's what we usually do. Any questions? Now, I wanted to mention one more thing. I'm a professor also at Wayne State University. And you've seen Wayne State University here. I'm a professor for construction management, and Wayne State has an articulation. I don't know if you guys heard them talk about articulations. And what they have at Wayne State is a dual enrollment, which is great. It's called Wayne Direct. So when you sign up to Wayne Direct, you pick Macomb Community College and Wayne State University, and there is no transfer credits anymore. If you have financial aid, you can go to 2 different universities and still use the same financial aid. So it makes it very easy for you guys. Versus coming here, doing 2 years, then you got to transfer all your credits over there. They got to be evaluated, and then you enroll there. So this is seamless.
So you guys aren't doing transferring credits no more?
No. Well, if you're part of Wayne Direct, you don't have to do transferring credits.
Okay.
It's automatically when you get a letter grade assigned at the end of the semester, it automatically goes in your file at Wayne State. And when you take a class here, automatically they assign the Wayne State call number. It's already a class that's valid. So you can do 2 years here, 2 years there. You get a bachelor's of science in construction management. It's a really up-and-coming degree. It's part of engineering at Wayne State, except it doesn't have the math requirements that an engineer would have. You only need, it's like a business calculus, which is a lower level Calc 1. Versus if you go into engineering, you're going to need Calc 1, Calc 2, Calc 3. It's all about math, okay, engineering. Any questions? All right, guys, it was nice seeing you guys.